Now we are going to see about pandas library. This is one of the fantastic library. It's a perfect tool for anyone who wants to perform data analysis. If anyone want to do some data analysis, not only data analysis, data processing and data extraction and data manipulation. So wherever we are handling, if we are handling data, we should use pandas. So pandas are designed on the top of NumPy. So some high quality of the NumPy modules are getting used in pandas. That's why we can do some scientific computation, okay, with the pandas. So mainly pandas has a two data structure. Okay, we will see all the things. What is the data structure? Two data structure. One is series and data frame. Another one is a data frame. If you want to handle data, we have to that data structure maintain in these two ways. One is a series, another one is a data frame. Okay. So with the data frame, with this data structure, we can manage data similar to SQL, how we are having a, tabular form, right? Like that in SQL or Excel spreadsheet, we are having a data with a row and column. Like this, we can manage the data here with the help of this data structure. How to install? We can the same in command prompt. You can if you have a Anaconda distribution, we can use a conda install pandas. Or if you have a Python interpreter, if you are installing directly to Python packages, you can use a pip command. Pip3 install pandas. So if you want to check version, okay, if it is already installed or not there, if you want to check any packages already installed or not, it's not there, you can use a conda list whatever the packages you want to check, right? You can use like that. It helps to verify whether it is already installed or not. Okay. So if it is installed, only thing is you have to update. At that time, you can use conda update pandas, any packages instead of pandas you can use whatever packages you want.